Hello everyone. In this video, I am doing worksheet number 4, chapter number 12, construction of quadrilaterals. And this is type 4 construction when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. So you can see our previous videos there I have solved other questions also related to this. So here angle Q and angle R are given. So again you need to take the base as QR 4 centimeter. So see, here I am making a rough sketch. Here I have taken QR as 4 centimeter. Angle Q is 90 degree. So that later we will make with compass. Here I am making simple rough sketch. Angle Q is 90 degree. Angle R is 135 degree. This angle will also be made with the help of compass. Then PQ is 5 centimeter. Here we will cut PQ 5 centimeter. And this RS, it is 4.5 centimeter. We will cut this way, RS 4.5 centimeter, and it will be joined. This is a rough sketch. Now we will do the fair construction. Rough sketch gives easy idea how to construct particular construction. So see here, I am taking here 4 centimeter in the center of the page, 0 and 4. Take care, scale should not move. This is angle Q, point Q and point R. This is 4 centimeter. 90 degree already guided to you. It is to be made with the help of compass. Compass strip on Q. This is an arc, 60 degree, and from here 120, once on 60 and then on 120. 90 degrees are original requirement, so it will be made solid. After making this, at point R we are to make 135. For 135 already I have told you, you need to draw first 3 arcs of 60, then 120 and then 180. And 90 degree is to be made initially. Keep compass tip on 60, then keep on 120 and draw 90 degree dotted, because 90 is not your original requirement. This is 90. Now once on 90 and then on 180, you have drawn both the arcs which are intersecting. Once from 90 and then from 180. Once from here and then from here you have drawn this arc, these arcs which are intersecting. Now you can extend this. This is 135 degree and this is 90 degree. Now open the compass 5 centimeter. Keep the compass tip on Q and cut here 5 centimeter. Now you need to open 4.5 centimeter, right? So you have opened 4.5. Keep compass tip here. This is 4.5. This is point P and this is point S. Arrows on both sides. And you need to join now PS. So construction has been completed. This is 4.5 centimeter. I have labeled it. So this is the required quadrilateral. Result. In the result, same PQRS is the required quadrilateral. Like previous construction, this was also not very difficult. Now I am doing its fourth part. So see fourth part. MNRS is to be constructed. Here angles N and R are given, so I am taking NR. NR is 5 centimeter. Angle N is of 120. I have made this way 120 degree. Angle R is 60 degree. This. Now MN is 4.5. Here we will cut MN 4.5 centimeter. And here RS is 6. Here it will be RS 6 centimeter. You need to join this. So this has been constructed rough sketch. So let's do now fair sketch. आप ये भी नोटिस किया करो आपको कितना टाइम लगता है कोई पर्टिकुलर कंस्ट्रक्शन करने में और जल्दी से जल्दी करनी है, राइट? सो सी 5 centimeter 0 and this is 5. So I have drawn it. This is NR 5 centimeter. Angle N is of 120 and already told that it is to be made with the help of compass. This is arc. This arc is of 60 and from here it is 120. This side also I have to make 60 degree angle. So take an arc, keep it here. This is 60 degree. Now you need to extend these lines. 60 degree line is this. So I have extended it. And this was of 120. So write 120 degree. 60 degree arc and 60 degree angle. This is, you can write here 60 degree. Now how much is MN? 4.5 centimeter. So open up the compass 4.5 centimeter. Keep compass tip on N. Cut an arc of 4.5. Now you need to open 6 centimeter. Keep compass tip on R and cut an arc of 6 centimeter. Name this point S and this point is M and join this MS. MS is joined. So labeling check. This is 6 centimeter. This is 4.5 centimeter. So quadrilateral has been constructed. Result, MNRS is the required quadrilateral. I request you do share your experience in comment box that after watching videos and doing by your own, how much feeling of contentment, satisfaction you are getting, and are you getting confident in drawing these constructions? Your valuable comments and experiences are very precious for me because with these I get an idea that how much more I need to do for you. Now I am doing part number 5. So in this, angle B and angle C are given. So BC we can take as base in the rough sketch. This is BC. And BC is how much? 6 centimeter. Angle B will be 60 degree. So it will come like this, 60 degree. Angle C is of 120 degree. It will come like this. AB is how much? 6. Here we will cut from B. 6 centimeter. And this CD is how much? 6 centimeter. Here also we will cut CD 6 centimeter. And in the last we will join these. So this was the rough sketch. Now doing the fair sketch of the same. So take BC as 6 centimeter. This. And when BC is taken 6 centimeter, angle B is 60 degree. From here I have cut an arc of 60 degree, and this side we need to make 120. This is arc 60 and this is 120. So extend these. This is 60 and this is 120. Now do the labeling 60 degree and 120 degree. How much is AB? 6 centimeter. So open up the compass, 6 centimeter. Keep compass tip on B. Cut an arc of 6 centimeter. Then here CD is also 6. From here also you can cut an arc of 6 centimeter. Right? Now you need to label this A and this is D, and ultimately join this AD. Here is arrow. This is also an arrow. So 6 centimeter here and 6 centimeter here, and write the result. ABCD is the required quadrilateral. ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Do check that after doing the construction you must label the figure and you must write the result. I once again request you, like the videos all which you are watching, comment if you really are enjoying doing the questions by yourself and getting a feeling of accomplishment that you are really doing very good. And further, share the link of the channel and videos with your friends so that they can also get an easy idea to do mathematics. Thank you very much.